Hi, let's learn how to use Soldify modifier. So it is a very useful modifier. If you have a mesh, you want to quickly add some thickness, just add Soldify modifier. As the name suggests, it will help you to add thickness by solidifying it. Okay, let's learn how to do that. So I'll delete everything here. Let's quickly add Shift A mesh, a plane, go to modifiers, click here, generate Soldify. And look at that. Here, if you increase thickness, you are basically adding thickness to the plane and it becomes a cube. If you increase it further, and you can make it bigger. So it is the very basic application of Soldify modifier. So let's add that to a cylinder. Shift A mesh cylinder, and for the cylinder I will simply increase the subdivisions like that. Go to edit mode, press tab, click on face select mode and delete the faces. Okay, let's move it out like that and select this face and delete. Now we have a cylinder like this, which is open on both sides. And now click on Soldify, increase thickness. See, that's how you create a tube. You can elongate it and you can use it however you want. Now let's try to create a vessel, a blood vessel with a cross section associated with that. Shift A curve, Bezier curve. So I'll simply add some thickness by going to data, geometry, increase depth. Let's convert this into a mesh object, convert mesh. Now you can go to edit mode, press tab, go to side view like this or this, go to wireframe mode and select half of the mesh like this. See, and you can press X and click on faces so that all the faces will be deleted. Go back to solid preview mode. See, now we have a cross section of a tube, maybe a blood vessel. Now simply add Shift A, generate Soldify. Now you have that thickness, increase thickness. And to remove these subdivisions, you can add a subdivision surface modifier and increase the thickness. I hope you learned how Soldify modifier works. It is a very basic modifier. So here you can see vertex groups. If you want to add thickness to only one part of the mesh, how you do that? I will add Shift A mesh, a plane. I'll move it here. I'll go to edit mode, press tab. We need more vertex points so that we can create a vertex group. Right click, subdivide multiple times like this. Go to edit mode and choose vertex select mode. Let's select few of the meshes like this and go to vertex groups here and click on plus and click on assign, and now we have created a vertex group. Now go back to modifiers, generate Soldify. Now increase the thickness. This time select the vertex group that we have created. Now you can see what is happening. This is so cool. The thickness is applied only to the selected vertex points. See, so you have specific control. So I hope that's helpful. See you in the next video with the next modifier. If you have any specific request, let me know in the comment section.